Hi friends, this video is about energy vampires who suck our energy when they meet us and what Sanatana Dharma suggests to neutralize negative energy and thereby escape from its ill effects. People with sinister look in their eyes and who could not digest others' growth and are usually jealous about others are known as energy vampires. We need to understand what exactly happens when we come across such people. In nature, everything flows from high to low. Water flows, air flows. Similarly, energy also flows from high energy people to low energy people. Basically, energy is neither positive nor negative. It is the thought or feeling associated with energy that makes it positive or negative. Based on this understanding, our ancient ancestors have devised ways and means to save our energy wherever possible and prevent its unnecessary transfer. Individual charisma depends on the amount of positive energy that we carry within our body. In this context, they have introduced Namaste as a form of greeting instead of shaking hands. The Sanatana Dharma avoids physical touch with each other to a maximum extent. Our ancestors are fully aware of the various ways of energy transfer from person to person, and they have incorporated certain checks and balances to minimize energy transfer and had also suggested several solutions to neutralize the impact of negative energy. You might have come across situations wherein you get a severe headache just after someone left your presence, or something seriously going wrong in your home, or some hazard taking place where you are concerned. This is due to the transfer of energy. You should understand that the person who had visited you is either jealous or is not able to digest your growth. These people always want other people to suffer. They can never digest others' growth. When these people visit any person, they suck their energy. They feed on others' energy. These people have come to be called as energy vampires. To protect from these energy vampires, Sanatana Dharma suggests certain remedies to clear the negative energy that these persons may leave behind. Crystal salt, lemon, red chilies, coconuts, edible oil, fire, water mixed with limestone powder, ash guard, pumpkins, flowing water, and sea water are said to absorb negative energy to a great extent. As a precaution, you may keep a cup containing crystal salt in your living room. This would absorb the negative energy that any person visiting you may leave behind. The process of using crystal salt, lemon, red chilies, edible oil, fire, and water mixed with limestone powder to neutralize the negative energy gathered in your aura is very simple and can be done at home by one of your near and dear. With crystal salt, you can clear the negative energy by yourself. To do this, take 2 fistfuls of crystal salt in both your hands. Shut your eyes and focus on the salt in your hands. Stay like this for about 5 minutes and then empty the salt into a wash basin. Wash your hands, legs, face and mouth and wipe your eyes and ears with water. To remove negative energy using lemon and red chilies, you can ask one of your near and dear to hold a lemon or a fistful of crystal salt with red chilies and move them around you in a circular motion and from top to bottom thrice clockwise and thrice anti-clockwise, and dispose them into a gutter or at some place which is not frequented by people and wash their hands, legs and face before entering home. Do this routine preferably in the evening or night hours before going to sleep. The next morning, mix 2 fistfuls of crystal salt in a bucket of water and take a head bath with that water. The cleansing process should be done at least once in a fortnight to find remarkable changes in your life. Sanatana Dharma always advised people to take bath in a river or canal or sea at least once in a year to ensure that the negative energy gathered over the year could be neutralized. It also ensured that the food consumed becomes the medicine for the people. All these secrets are imbibed into the Indian culture so that people are benefited to the maximum. It is also advised to go to a temple at least once in a week and spend some time in the temple premises to neutralize the negative energy, if any, and recharge our bodies with positive energy. Very few of us understand the real science and logic behind our culture. Our culture provides us with several such small remedies that will ultimately lead us to happiness. Sanatana Dharma is advanced science. Let us understand our culture and make our lives more meaningful. I am Venkat Baretti. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please leave your comments in the comment section below.